have been fortunate to be grant recipient of the Rebuilding Together.
And today is the culmination of our Rebuilding Together community building, cooking and connection project that you've all been involved in.
So the project that I'm honored to lead has delivered nutrition education sessions to 120 seniors in 2 senior groups at Vaz and at St. George in September and November, as well as food relief to 442 families and 1,436 individuals so far. Do you find it helpful? استفدتوا من هالبرنامج؟
I feel really privileged to be amongst our vibrant Arabic community on a Sunday afternoon.